Gmail hacks. Enable undo send. This Gmail feature allows you to recall an email after you've sent it, giving you a chance to correct mistakes before they cause any harm. To enable undo send, go to Settings, General, and turn on the feature. Use labels. Labels are similar to folders, but they offer a more flexible way to organize your emails. You can create custom labels to categorize messages, and you can also assign multiple labels to a single email. Eliminate promotional emails. To eliminate promotional emails, log into Gmail on a desktop or laptop. In the search bar, type unsubscribe. Select all emails with the unsubscribe tag by ticking the box above them. Click the delete button to remove all promotional emails. Send a confidential email. Disable copying, printing, forwarding, and downloading by the recipient. When composing a new email, click on the lock symbol. Your email will be confidential. Undo the email you just sent. Go to the settings icon top right. Select Settings, General. Toggle on Undo Send. Choose 30 seconds. The undo button will appear the next time you send an email. Schedule an email to be sent later. To schedule an email to be sent later, click the down arrow next to Send. Select Schedule Send. Pick the desired date and time. Relax. Use offline. Go to Settings. Settings. Click All Settings, followed by Offline. Once in the Offline tab, select Enable Offline Mail. You can select various options for how you want your offline access to be set up before saving the changes. Use Gmail filters to automatically sort incoming emails based on specific criteria. To keep your inbox organized. To avoid getting overwhelmed by unimportant messages. Keyboard shortcuts. Maximize your productivity with these quick and easy keyboard shortcuts, saving you time and effort in your daily email routine. Use the Gmail search operators. Gmail search operators can help you find specific messages quickly and easily. For example, you can search for all emails from a specific sender, emails with attachments, or emails containing specific words. Integrate with Google Calendar. If you use Google Calendar, you can view your upcoming appointments directly from Gmail. This can help you stay on top of your schedule and avoid missing important events. Mute conversations. To mute an email thread, stop receiving new message updates from a specific email thread. The muted conversation will still be visible in your inbox. No new message notifications will be received. Create templates. If you frequently send the same type of email, you can create a template to save time. Gmail has a built-in feature called canned responses that allows you to save and reuse frequently used text snippets. BunnyDoc, an e-signature solution.